Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news global container freight rates are rising to ridiculous levels now. Just another element that is stifling world trade. But first up, we should note that it is a public holiday in the US Independence Day, and it is likely that many will take tomorrow off as well and make it a 4-day weekend there. So data from the world's largest economy is absent today. But there will be the non-farm payrolls results for June released tomorrow. In the US, car buyers are back despite elevated interest rates, but the June vehicle sales level probably fell to 15.8 million annualised rate. That is because of an industry-wide cyber attack in June that hobbled many major dealerships. But the effect of the cyber attack is now over, and there could well be a sharp catch-up in July. And we are also awaiting China's vehicle sales data for June, and there is no early indications in that market, which is almost twice as large as the US one. They expect to sell more than 30 million vehicles in the year to June, with nearly half of these NEVs. But given their rush to invest in manufacturing, they still have a serious overcapacity problem, even at that sales level. And the EU says it will impose tariffs of up to 37.6% from today on their imports of electric vehicles made in China. The rise in global container freight rates isn't easing, according to the latest data for this week. These rates are up another 10% from last week to be 4 times higher than year-ago levels. The same causes are still there, with the highest increases for freight from China to Atlantic ports. Bulk cargo rates are up a net 5% for the week, although they have eased slightly in the past few days. These are rates that are 90% higher than year-ago levels. US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.37% and up 1 basis point, and the price of gold will start today virtually unchanged from yesterday at $2,357 an ounce. And oil prices are 50 US cents higher in the US at $83.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is up $1 at $87.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today a quarter cent firmer from yesterday and back up to 61.2 US cents. Against the Aussie was still softer at 91 Australian cents. Against the euro we're holding at 56.6 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.4 and unchanged from yesterday. You get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again on Monday. And go the All Blacks.